Visiting Anglesey, Holland Arms Garden Centre. By the entrance is a sign explaining the store's social distancing policy. This is the traffic light system. You can enter when the traffic light is on green. As you enter, an automated message will play, reminding you to wear a mask. As you enter, there is hand sanitizer and a trolley sanitizing station for you to use. Please follow the one-way system. Black and yellow arrows have been placed on the floor. The toilets are open for all to use. A sign with the latest information about ordering and paying for food has been placed to the left of the entrance to the cafe. Please wait by the entrance of the cafe to be seated. To reach the tills, please follow the arrows on the one-way system. You will need to walk up to the cafe, then turn left. After turning left by the cafe, walk through to the outdoor garden centre area and turn left again to reach the tills. To reach the tills, walk through the sheltered outdoor garden area and re-enter the store through the sliding doors. At the tills, please wait by the sign until asked to move forward. A clear screen has been placed on the counter between you and the shop worker. All staff will be wearing masks.